mama, ma, ma, ma. How about that? How about that? That's my head is too dirty. Let's wash it. Let's wash it. Let's wash it on this. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm still clean. Let's wash it on this crown. Ta-da! We got so clean. Nice and clean. One dirty, one dirty, one dirty. And wash it and clean. I love this one of them so much. We got the river.
Lalay, did you brush your teeth?
I want to play.
But you have to brush your teeth.
No.
Let me see your teeth. It's dirty. Yuck. Ew. Aren't you going to brush your teeth?
No.
Why?
I don't like.
You don't like to brush your teeth? Why? La, the ipis will eat your teeth. You like the ipis to eat your teeth?
No.
Oh, what will you do?
I don't honestness on eating my fruits.
What?
Don't eating my fruits.
O, anong kinalaman nun?
Don't my fruits.
Oh, what's with your fruits?
My fruits is so hungry again.
What did the ipis, eating? What are they eating?
I'm so scared the lalai's ipis.
You're scared of ipis?
Yes.
Oh, you see? So you have to brush your teeth.
Okay.
Go ahead. Call mama. Take care. Okay?